Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply B10 filter to your TikTok videos. So we are going to check 3 ways of doing that. First, what we'll do, we'll apply B10 filter, then we'll create a video. In the second, we will create a video, then we'll apply B10 filter. And the third one, we'll upload a video from camera roll and we'll apply B10 filter. Both are almost same, so let's do it. This is the filter button. Tab here. Now here you have different option. Here select landscape and you can see B1, B2. Slide right until you find B10. Tap on it and that's it. You can adjust the brightness if you want. So this is the B10 filter. Now you can create a video and let's remove this first. Okay, to remove you have to tap here. Going. Okay, it's gone. So now let's make a video. My video is done. Now to apply the filter, again on the right side you can see the filter button. Tap there. Tap on landscape. Slide right until you find B10 and that's it. Your video is ready with B10. Now let's discard this. Okay, now let's browse a video from camera roll. Okay, I have this video. Let's hit next. Hit next again. Now on the top right corner you can see the filter button. Tap there and again the same thing. Go to landscape, go to B10, select B10 and you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get B10 effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.